So hello guys, in this video we'll try to guide you how to choose a laptop for online teaching, learning with different budgets. By the end of this video, we will recommend right budget and specification which can be last for years. While everyone wants a slim and powerful laptop, spending a lot of money might not always be the right answer, especially if attending online classes and using basic apps or all you'll be using the computer for. So there are plenty of inexpensive options in market. Before you head out, it is very important to identify your budget and the specification accordingly. Set your expectation. You can get a Windows 10 laptop starting around 100 to 150 US dollar, but finding one for a big name brand is tough in this budget. Most laptops around this price comes with an Intel Celeron or Pentium CPU, 4 GB of RAM, an HD resolution display, and a low capacity eMMC for storage. Bumping up your budget to around $250 to $350 will get you many more options from established players such as HP and Lenovo. In this segment, you should be able to expect slightly more powerful CPUs such as AMD Ryzen 3 series and Intel's older 8 to 9 to 10 generation Core i3 models. Hard drive sizes are typically 1 terabyte in this segment, but this would be a mechanical hard drive, not a flash drive. The RAM will still be 4 GB with most of them, which is not ideal for Windows 10, so it's better if you upgrade to at least 8 GB after purchase if you're buying in this budget. Budget should be under 350 US dollar to 500 US dollar. It would be better to get a laptop with a Core i5 processor to the future proof for at least some years. Your laptop must have minimum of 8 GB RAM. You don't need to go higher than 8 GB, as 8 GB RAM is enough for a student or teaching a kind of laptop. 4 GB RAM is not recommended as it would slow down your system. And the next part is like hard drive or SSD. That is the big question. I would recommend you to have an SSD solid state drive, which is non-spinning drive multitasking. You would need around 250 to 500 GB for your laptop. The files related to studies, unless they are videos, lectures that needs to be downloaded, do not require a lot of space. Keeping your Windows 10 regularly updated, you need to have a legit copy of Windows 10. So a good laptop costs you between $350 to $500. Ideal specification would be Core i3 to Core i5 with minimum 6th generation if you want to stay with Windows 10, or if you want to planning to move to Windows 11, which you might be, you need to go with minimum 8th generation computer with 8 GB DDR4 RAM, 250 SSD or 512 solid state drive, Intel HD graphics 13.3 to 14 for portability, or 15.6 inches screen if you like a big screen. If you guys are in Thailand or coming to Thailand, need computer or any other IT related services, you guys can contact our company JM505 Computer Services, located in Ramkhamhaeng, Bangkok. We deliver all over nationwide. Address and Facebook page links I will put in the description below. Hope you guys find this video informative and simple. If you do so, please make sure to give us thumbs up, please subscribe and share, and please consider to press the bell icon to get more content like this. Bye bye.